Our notes tell us that isotopes are atoms that are the same element but different masses due to the different number of neutrons in the nucleus. For example, up here, carbon 12 is a carbon atom that has 6 protons and 6 neutrons. The 6 protons and the 6 neutrons together give it a mass of 12. Carbon 13 is still carbon because it still has 6 protons, but it's got an extra neutron. That extra neutron makes our total mass 13 because 6 protons and 7 neutrons give us a total mass of 13. Carbon 14, it's still carbon because it's got 4, oh my goodness, Neufeld. It's got 6 protons and it's got 8 neutrons, giving it a total mass of 14. So what if you are given a symbol, but you are not given the number of protons and neutrons? How can you figure it out? Well, here we have oxygen with 16 for its isotope symbol. If I didn't know how to do this, I might go to our old friend, the atom builder, and I am going to try to make an oxygen atom that has a mass of 16. So to start, I'm going to add protons until I find oxygen. And look at that. It took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 protons. This makes sense because oxygen is number 8 on the periodic table. If you forgot, we can take a look at the periodic table and see that the number of protons is the exact same as the atomic number. Oxygen's atomic number is 8, so it will always take 8 protons to build an oxygen atom. I'm going to go ahead and put in 8 for the number of protons of this oxygen isotope. Now I need to figure out how many neutrons it's going to take to get to a mass of 16. So I'm going to start adding in neutrons. And after I've added 8 neutrons, my mass number is 16. So I'm going to go ahead and put in 8. Now, for something like uranium-235, you're not going to be able to use the atom builder to add in 235 nucleonic particles. That's too much. So instead, you're going to have to notice the math patterns between the isotope symbol, the number of protons, and the number of neutrons. The number of protons is always equal to the atomic number, and the number of neutrons is always the number needed to get your mass to 16. We have 8 units of mass from the protons and 8 units of mass for the neutrons. So your number of neutrons and protons should always equal the mass number on your isotope symbol. Be sure you ask for help when you need it.